super strict about my rain card.
Hello guys, I am back in the rain and thunderstorms. As you can hear, the rumble of thunder. It's not bad. Hey ho. It's rain. It's not that bad, to be honest. Hi. It's very wet. Anyways, yeah, it's definitely wet. The rain is definitely increasing. We are currently under a severe thunderstorm watch here in Chesapeake, Virginia. Let me guys know where you're watching from down in the comments. I'm curious. You can hear the rain is definitely starting to pick up a bit. Look at it raining. You can also hear the thunder, quite frequent. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch. Luckily, no tornado threat, just high winds. So that's good. See, the rain is kind of coming in just straight down. No winds yet. But, no winds yet, but all coming soon. Definitely real soon. I'm standing out here getting wet. Got Steelers hoodie. Let me down below. Which NFL team are you? How many Pittsburgh Steelers fans are here watching? Let me know down in the comments below. The rain is definitely starting to pick up. As you can hear from the rain hitting the car. That was a good one. Wet. As you can see, it's definitely raining. Like, a lot. Feels good though. Definitely feels good, rain. As you can see, if you can see, it's raining quite heavily. You can hear it on the car. Just ASMR for a minute. Okay, we've got our ASMR rain in. I'd like to introduce you to my brother.
What's this for?
There he is.
Is this for school? Oh, it's for YouTube. You should like throw in some random weather facts so they don't get bored.
Yeah, true.
Like you've been like staring at like the rain for like the last 10 minutes.
So, fun facts about the rain that you probably already know. Rain is just, the clouds are basically just condensed rain, basically. Yeah. That was a good thunder. Thunder is when lightning strikes, the air heats up until a big boom hit is heard. And plus, light travels faster than sound. So a few facts about that. I'm gonna end the video here. I shall see you guys later. See ya!